right, let's see what this can do. So I poured some water here. This here is the all-new Boom 2 by Soundcore, a waterproof speaker that features dual speakers as well as a built-in subwoofer and even a power bank. Alright guys, so check it out. So this is the packaging, this is the box. This here is our Boom 2. I don't know where the Boom 1 is, but this is our first time looking at this product, so let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Right, so this thing's got 80 watt, it's got a subwoofer, it's got 2 tweeters, and it is floatable, so it's waterproof. Now, it does have a 24-hour playtime, and I believe it's priced just under $150, making it a really budget-priced subwoofer speaker. Now, it features customizable 9-band Pro EQ, some of the basic stuff that you'd see in some of the different apps. It is, again, floatable. Can link up to 100 plus speakers, so they do have a way where you can go ahead and connect these speakers in like a chain. That's kind of cool because then you can go ahead and create like a huge party out of it. Now, it also features a built-in power bank, so in other words, you can take this thing on the go and utilize it more than just a speaker. Now, this is made by Anker, the company we've seen before that also makes Eufy cameras and a variety of different things, including power banks. So they're pretty well rounded in terms of quality of different products goes, and I like how they incorporate that into all of their products. So the same quality that you would see out of their power bank, you'll see in the specific speaker. Well, let's open it up. Pretty standard stuff. You get your speaker, you get your charging cable, which is a USB-C to USB-C, and you get your user manual or your quick start guide. Now, just looking at the speaker, has a really cool look to it, very clean cut finish, housing the Soundcore logo here on the front with the mesh grille. It's got a metallic paint and has a nice lightweight feel. All your power buttons and all your different function buttons will be here on the front side. And on the bottom, doesn't really much other than that. You do get your handle, and you also have your ports on the rear. So you have your IQ Plus for charging, as well as your input as well. So that is that in a nutshell. Now, to go ahead and turn this thing on, just go ahead and simply hold the power button right here. Got a nice little boot up sound with some LEDs kind of going off. You do hear the Bluetooth connectivity right there. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my phone next and connect to it. We're connected. So you can hear the sound already kind of going off. You can see the subwoofers kind of vibrating about. That's kind of cool. All right, let's go ahead and play a song here and see how this sounds. We'll try Speed Street. I'm not sure what this is. It's got a good amount of bass. Now you can switch between 60 watt as well as 80 watts for the bass, and you can actually almost immediately feel the difference. Look at that. All right, so I'm mean, that is actually pretty darn loud for something of its size. This is great for like on-the-go purposes, mainly because one is lightweight, is compact, comes with a handle, and it's waterproof. I mean, I can tell you off the bat, that is the real kicker behind this. You can take this outside in the rain and not have to worry about it getting damaged. Usually with these kind of speakers here, that's one thing I'd always be fearful of, especially with like that mesh grill. You don't want water getting in there, but this thing is designed to be waterproof. So, I mean, that's pretty cool. I think we'll go ahead and just do a quick little test on that and see how it plays out. Right, so we're outside on this rainy day as a test to show you how this works out. It is completely waterproof, no issues at all. It can handle the rain. Let's see how this deals with some water. So I poured some water here. All right, so this here is the app. So you have your full control over it. So you have your volume control. You have your bass up, bass down. All right, so we're gonna do a quick little test on the bass up. So that's pretty much this button right over here. So you press this button, it'll go ahead and enable it. You press this button again, it'll go ahead and disable it. We'll do a quick little comparison to show you exactly how much of a difference it makes. So let's go ahead and do it for a quick test without it on. Alright, and pause. So that is our bass line without any bass up added features. And now we're going to hit bass up like that and see if there's a noticeable difference. Just like that, you can actually feel a little bit of difference. It's kind of hard to show it obviously in the video, but if we go ahead and play both of the video clips together in terms of the audio waves, you can actually see the difference between the two. And I think that's actually a good kicker. Now, to kind of show you how we kind of jump back and forth and hit continue playing, let's turn it off. Now it's off. On. Off. Yeah, much better with the bass up on. You have your equalizer, so there's the presets, so based on what you're trying to do. And then you also could do your own custom version too, if that's necessary. Now you have your light or your ambient settings, so you have these different modes. You can actually see them happening as we look at it. So this is flame. That's cool, it's like a fire. That's pretty neat. You have energy, you have wave, you have lightning, fireworks. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. You have color flow. And then you can also adjust the brightness as deemed necessary. So that's pretty darn cool. I mean, you can really do full customization in terms of that aspect goes. I like that because it kind of gives you almost like a customized feel that you don't really see in too many speakers. Usually it's just point blank on, that's it. Maybe change some settings, but that's kind of cool that it does let you change the lighting. Now under more settings, that's right, more settings, we have speaker prompts. So these will be the sounds that you hear when you press it on and off. You have your button brightness, so that's cool too. So you can adjust the brightness of those buttons. You have your auto power off after 20 minutes, and then of course you always can update it by simply clicking update. And just like that, I can hit install, and now we're installing our update to the speaker. So yeah, I mean, this is a pretty cool speaker then nonetheless. Definitely user-friendly, lightweight, Sounds really good. I love the bass. And that's something that I feel a lot of speakers do lack nowadays, is a nice little oomph. This one does give you that control over, so it's not like overly exaggerated, but you still have the capability to kind of tone it down if necessary. And yeah, I mean, I think it's cool. I like the fact that it's waterproof, and if you're looking for a nice quality speaker that doesn't hit the bank too much, this is the way to go. Now, with that said, if you guys have any questions, comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.